Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In this video, I'm going to teach dictionary comprehensions in Python. Before coming back to this video, I'm requesting you to watch my previous video which is dictionary in Python, and along with that watch this video list comprehensions in Python and then come back to this video, because if you understand the concept of dictionary in Python and then list comprehensions in Python, so that you can easily understand dictionary comprehensions, right? So guys, before beginning the lecture, I'm requesting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then click the bell icon. So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, it is part 4.5. It is the last part in the part 4. After this part 4, we're going to begin our project number 3. There is no agenda for today because we have only the one topic, dictionary comprehensions. Here you can see it is a syntax. First we have to give key expression and then value expression and one for loop item in iterable. Right. So now let me create a dictionary comprehension. Take the flower brackets. For the key expression, I'm giving I. For the value expression, I'm giving I power 2. Now give the for loop for item I in range 1 to 6. Now you can see it is printing up to the 5 along with the power. You can see 1 power 2, 1. For the key I have 2, 2 power 2, 4. For the key 3, 3 power 2, 9. Same like that 4 and 5. You can see here I'm getting keys from the 1 to 5 and then I'm adding power 2 for all these keys. You can see I got these values. So guys, it is the dictionary comprehension. The type of it is dict, that means dictionary, right? I want to give some more examples for you. I want to print even square dictionaries, right? Key expression I'm giving same I. Value expression same I power 2. For I in range 1 to 6, I'm adding here if condition. If I percentile 2 equals to 0, I want to print the even numbers. Even number with the power. Here I made a mistake. I have to give in operator. Yeah, I got even numbers 2 and 4. 2 power is 4 and 4 power is 16. If you want to add else condition, then add it before the for loop. You can't add else condition after the for loop. Here you can see I'm giving else condition after the for loop. It is giving error. So what you have to do means just copy this line. Now paste here. You can see it is giving the output. If the number is even, it is giving power 2 for that even number. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 power 2 is 16. When the key matches to the odd, in the place of value I want to give odd. It is not giving the number. It is giving only the value odd. It is for the only single if condition. It is for if and else. I want to give one more example for you. Student records. First name Bharat. He got 80 marks. Raju got 60 marks. Sai got 70 marks. Ravi got 55 marks, right? Let me print this records. Yeah, it is printing. Now I want to make the dictionary comprehension. For the key expression I'm giving key. For the value expression I'm giving v. For k comma v, it is giving the output. name, key and value, right? I want to give one more name. Now it is giving the output. Now I want to make the conditions. If v greater than 40, I want to print the value, otherwise else fail. Vamshi is failed and the remaining people are passed. You can see here this value is not greater than 40. That's why it is giving fail. Here you can see he got the top marks. In the place of Bharat, I want to print the top. In the place of key expression, I want to make one condition. Top. If v equals to the values, I want to print top. Otherwise, I want to print the k value. You can see he got highest marks. So that's why in the place of his name, it is getting top. And Vamshi is failed and the remaining members are getting the exact values. So guys, like this, play around these dictionaries. In the next video, I'm going to start project number 3, which is word dictionary, right? So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support. Bye for now. See you in the next video.